got the new SSR 125 pit bike out here today. Gonna do some ripping and tearing at the mounds. Hey-o. That was sick. Alright, YouTube, let me know down in the comments below if you like the pit bike videos, if you want to see more of them. I mean, you're probably going to see more of them whether you want to or not on my channel. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share. Check out my Facebook page for all my merch, like my hoodies and t-shirts. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. And I got one other thing to announce besides the new bike. The Rally at Battle Alley ride out, hosted by yours truly, is May 6th on a Sunday in downtown Holly. Be there or be square. You can find the event on Facebook under events at Rally at Battle Alley Ride Out. Thanks again to all my new subscribers, and I'll see you next time.